equals 3 studios.
Top 6.
All right, what's up, guys? All right, as you guys know by now, or I hope you know, we have found water on Mars. Not me and you personally, but like science-y people have found liquid water on Mars. And you know what they say, where there's water, there's theme parks and aliens and all of that stuff. So let's look at some more evidence that we're not alone.
Number 6.
Images on Mars. That big red planet that we're talking about. Okay, so the Mars rover has captured some pretty interesting and questionable images on Mars. Like this one that might be a woman. Hey, Mars rover, you suck at pictures. So you don't think that looks like a woman? You don't think that woman on Mars is proof enough for you? All right, how about an iguana? Yeah, that's an iguana. Actually, what you're seeing there is a rock formation that your mind is recognizing a pattern in and perceiving as an iguana. Okay, so we got the woman on Mars, the iguana on Mars, we got the man on Mars. Yeah. Actually, that is the actor known as Matt Damon, and he was portraying. Let me have this.
Number 5.
You guys still need more proof? Okay, how about UFOsightingsdaily.com? Yeah. It's a real site about UFO sightings. Oh look, what is that? It's an alien. This website's a blog, and there's posts about all different types of UFO sightings daily. Because it's a blog, we know that it's fact. Actually blog me. So okay, yeah, so this isn't complete fact, but a lot of it could be true, and it's fun to read through. Hey guys, you wanna see me moonwalk? Okay.
Number 4.
Not impressed yet? Well, we found Earth's twin. This planet was discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope and is known as Kepler 452b. Dumb name. If you're gonna be Earth's twin, I would think it would be like Earth and Bertha or something. Work with me here, it's better than 452b. You guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that when they put the B at the end of 452, it stands for Bertha. So Bertha is like 1,400 light years away and is the only known planet in its solar system. Kepler 452b is known as an exoplanet because it is a planet that does not circle our sun and is in another solar system. So anyways, Bertha is pretty much identical to Earth except 60% wider. It's like if you had a doppelganger that was just fat. This could be evidence that we're not alone because if there's life on Earth, there could be life on Bertha. There could be a Kelly on Bertha, a 60% bigger Kelly on Bertha. That's something to think about. Yep, that's Kelby, all right. You know, everyone on Bertha has a B in their name. Yeah, so what's your name? Tim? Be Timby. Susan? Suzanne B. See, it goes along with the whole Bertha thing because you add a B into every syllable.
Number 3.
So you're not sold on Bertha? What about Project Blue Book, the government's investigation into UFOs? All right, so in June of 1947, civilian pilot Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 moving objects flying at high speeds above Mount Rainier. The US Air Force decided to look into it, thus started Project Blue Book. And Project Blue Book wasn't just limited to this sighting over Mount Rainier. It was the government's investigation into all UFO sightings. 12,000 sightings, or related events to be exact, from 1952 to 1969 when Project Blue Book was dismantled. 12,000 sightings investigated by the government? How can you explain away all those? Like, we're definitely not alone. Actually, most of these sightings can be explained away. For example, the Arnold sighting over Mount Rainier was in fact a weather balloon. Okay, sure, that one was a weather balloon, but there's a small number that are classified as unexplained. Now, I'm not saying aliens, but aliens. Okay, if you want to check this out for yourself, you can. Thanks to the Freedom of Information Act, you too can read about Project Blue Book at www.bluebluebluebluebook.com. Thank you, government, for making this information available to us, because much information is kept secret by the Men in Black. Bam! That's the answer to the Kelly Q. Men in Black is my favorite movie about aliens. Duh. Here come the Men in Black. I just love the song. Galaxy Defender.
Number 2.
You want more proof? Okay. NAZCA lines and megalithic sites. So the ancient Nazca lines are hundreds of ground drawings that are etched into the high desert of southern Peru. And these are drawings of a bunch of different things. Some are like stylized animals, some are kind of humanoid figures, and some are just lines that reach hundreds of meters long. Some people say that these drawings were made for or by aliens because they can only be seen from a great height, like from a plane. And planes didn't exist back when these things were made. Okay, so these drawings were first discovered in 1939 because that's when the first airplanes flew over this desert and saw them. If we're getting specific, these drawings could also be seen from foothills in the surrounding area, so it could have been made by humanoids. Also, aliens are not interested in monkeys, just Jeff Goldblum. Okay, so you need more proof than some drawings in the ground? Cool. What about megalithic sites? The pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge, Machu Picchu, Easter Island, big-ass Mayan temple. It's the correct term. The world's largest rubber band. A super target. Yeah, you think that's a target? It's a crop circle. Actually, Target was founded by... I know. Okay? It's a joke. Aliens clearly made all of those things. Or they might have. You can't prove they didn't.
And number 1.
So you want like scientific proof? Okay, how about this? Scientists believe that there is life out there and we will find it soon. Scientists. When I say soon, I mean soon. Scientists estimate that we'll find intelligent life out there by the year 2025. The galaxy is so big that it's mathematically improbable that we're alone. Math, guys, math. Scientists think that soon we're gonna have the technology to find intelligent life on other planets. So Stephen Hawking even believes that there's life out there. Recently, he and this Russian scientist announced a $100 million initiative to go find radio signals of intelligent life. Actually, life does not exist on...
We believe that life arose spontaneously on Earth. So in an infinite universe, there must be other occurrences of life.
There's actually a mathematical equation called the Drake equation, which is a probabilistic argument used to arrive at an estimate of the number of communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way.
Top 6.
All right, guys, that's it for today, but I think it's pretty clear that we're not alone. There was liquid water on Mars. There are big drawings for aliens in the desert. Stephen Hawking is gonna find radio signals. And if you ever get lonely, there is another you, a bigger you, on Bertha. Hey guys! Okay, so next Thursday, I'm doing an episode about Halloween. Yeah, it's coming quick. So I want you guys to guess what my favorite candy is. Is it Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Starburst, or Sour Patch Kids? All right, take a guess. I'll see you guys next week. I'm Kelly Landry, and you're smarter than you were.
Top 6 aliens? Mark?
It's actually evidence we're not alone, to be exact. I don't need it, we're done.
There's no Santa, Kelly!
I mean, we're just done.
Jesus died for you, Kelly!
No! I don't know why I'm like, hi guys, there's a poop down here.
Thank you for watching this Equals 3 Studios production. To watch another episode, click here. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And now, I dance!